This is Birdie. One day, Birdie travelled a long way to visit her friend Rosy. "Hello, Birdie," Rosy said. "Come inside." That night, the weather turned very cold. A strong wind began to blow outside. Ooh, ooh. Snowflakes started to fall, thick and fast. Rosy looked worried. "It's a blizzard," she said. "I hope the wind doesn't break my tree." Birdie tried to call her friend, Mr. Frog. But the phone didn't work. And then the lights went out. "Some power lines must have fallen down," Rosy said. "Let's sleep. Maybe the storm will be over in the morning." The wind howled all night. Birdie and Rosy couldn't sleep. They huddled together under a pile of blankets, trying to get warm. "I don't like this," said Birdie. "I'm cold, and the wind is so noisy. I'm scared." "I know you're not used to cold weather, Birdie," Rosy said kindly, "but if we look after each other, we'll be okay." In the morning, the lights still didn't work. Wind roared through the branches of Rosy's tree. Snow kept blowing against the door. Rosy made a fire. "We need to stay warm," she said. They watched the news. There was ice on the roads and snow in the wind. It was too dangerous for people to drive cars. Birdie and Rosy couldn't go out, and no one could come to visit them. "This feels sad," said Birdie. "I'm sorry your visit isn't much fun so far," said Rosy. "What can we do to stay cheerful?" They drew colourful pictures and did fun puzzles. They built a blanket fort and pretended to be on an island. They played drums and danced. "At least playing helps us keep warm," Birdie said. The blizzard went on all the next day, and the next, and the next. One morning when Birdie woke up, everything was quiet. "The wind has stopped blowing," whispered Rosy. "That's wonderful," said Birdie. "The storm is over." But when they opened the door, "Oh, we can't get out," Birdie wailed. "We'll be stuck in here forever." "It will take a lot of work," Rosy said, "but we can tunnel out." They dug and dug. "Listen," said Rosy. "Can you hear someone else digging?" "Hello," said Rosy's neighbour. "We're going around the neighbourhood clearing the path to each person's front door. Would you like to help?" Birdie and Rosy were so happy to see the helpers. Sometimes a blizzard goes on for days, but every storm ends, and while they wait, Birdie and her friends take care of each other.